Hi, it's Fran, your holistic hygienist here at Dr. Gashinsky's Holistic Dental Center. Today we're going to talk to you about a concern a lot of people have, and that is gum recession. Now, a lot of people have questions about what can cause it, what are the symptoms of it, and how they can fix it. Well, some of the causes are something as simple as maybe you're brushing too hard or using a hard toothbrush. That can brush away the gum tissue. And what happens is when the gum tissue goes away, so does the bone. So the supporting structures of your teeth are being lost. Another way is if you're grinding your teeth. Well, why grinding my teeth? How does that cause it? Well, just think about it. This is your top teeth, bottom teeth. When you're grinding your teeth, you see how my wrists are moving? When my wrist moves, that movement can cause the gum to pull down, just like my sleeve. All right. So what happens is the gum and the bone will deteriorate away. Other ways could be from maybe braces. If you had some gum tooth movement, the gums will also move. So now you're left with teeth that are long. That can make you look older. Can be very, very sensitive to touch, to temperature, to cold. That's the main complaint is they have a lot of sensitivity. And even if you don't have any symptoms, just the aesthetics of it, people don't like the way it looks. And it concerns us because we want you to keep your teeth for a very long time. If you lose a lot of gum and a lot of bone, you're not going to be able to hang on to your teeth. So I want to show you something about how to fix it. Now, I'm going to give you a little diagram of what a tooth with gum recession can look like. You can see this is your regular tooth that you normally would see, and your gum should be about up here. You can see the gum is down here. The root's exposed, and that's going to be very sensitive to touch, to temperature, and some people just can't use cold water. Ice cream, forget it. It's not going to happen. So the old conventional way of doing it was to actually cut a piece of gum off your palate. And yes, it's as bad as it sounds. You're really uncomfortable. They have to take a piece of gum, then they sew it on with stitches. They have to put a packing on it. So not only are you sore and uncomfortable here where the site is, you're sore and uncomfortable on your palate where they had to harvest the gum from. It's just, you can't touch it for like a week to 10 days, and it takes a while to heal. It never looks the same as your other gum. It can look thicker, have a different color. It's just really not, it works. Sometimes it doesn't because of the fact that you're using a donor tissue. Sometimes the body goes, I don't want it, and it rejects it. So that's a concern. That's why we prefer to do the new alternative way. And what that is, it's called Pinhole Gum Rejuvenation. You may have heard of it. And Dr. G is one of the few doctors around, and actually he's one of the first in New Jersey who was actually licensed to do it. So we're happy to show you how that works. Very simply, he makes a little pinhole in your gum. Tiny little hole. It heals within 1 day. Puts a special instrument in that spot, and he just loosens the gum up just a little bit, just enough so that he can take your gum tissue and kind of just push it gently up into the spot, just like this. You can see there's no cutting, no stitching. See how we just slid it right up there? And that's basically what he does. No cutting, no stitching. You have an immediate result. You see it right away. You can go back to your normal activities that day or the next day. You don't need to take off of work the next day, except to come in and see Dr. G for your check. Other than that, you can live a normal life. We'll give you some instructions on how to take care of it, the care and feeding of it. But other than that, it's very, very, very minor invasiveness, little discomfort. Patients are very happy with the results. Very little to no downtime. There's so many benefits. We'd love to be able to show you more. So we want you to come in for a consultation. We'll be able to show you, and Dr. G can talk to you more about it. Give us a call at 973-379-9080. Or if you want a little more information, you can visit our website, www.holisticdentalcenternj.com, and you'll see a little tab on there talking about it. And there you have it. For more tips, tricks, and info, we want you to subscribe. Make sure you click on the link. And we also want your questions and we want your concerns below. We want to hear what you have to say. If you need to have a question answered quickly, not a problem. You can call us or leave comments below. We'll be happy to help you. Again, subscribe to our channel. We want you to stay happy and healthy.